Hey guys, welcome back to Spice Fry. Today we bring to you a simple yet tasty restaurant style Palak Paneer recipe. So let's begin. You'll need 1 finely chopped onion, 3 cloves finely sliced garlic, 1 finely chopped tomato, 2 roughly sliced chilies. Add some oil in a pan. Begin with frying the garlic till they turn golden brown in color. Add in the chilies and fry along with the garlic. Add in the onions and give it a good mix. Add salt, green chili paste, ginger garlic paste, black peppercorns, cinnamon, aniseed, and grounded cumin. Give it all a good mix. Add in the chopped tomatoes and mix it well. Keep aside this mixture. Meanwhile, blanch your spinach leaves in hot water or in the microwave. This step helps retain the green color of the spinach. Blend the spinach into a smooth paste. Now add the blended spinach to the onion and tomato mix. Add in some water to get the desired consistency and mix well. Cover with the lid and let it simmer for a few minutes. Add about 1 teaspoon of makai atta to lock in the consistency and avoid the water separating. Drop in the paneer and mix it well. Cover the palak paneer with a lid and let it simmer for a few minutes before serving it hot with rotis or parathas. We hope you liked the recipe and don't forget to subscribe to Spice Fry now to stay up to date for more amazing recipes that are coming soon.